This is a progression from shoulder squeeze and shoulder retraction and depression in a prone position, where you're going to add your arms, or the weight of your arms, which will make this more challenging. So let me show you what you were doing and what you will be doing. So what you were doing is just squeezing your shoulder blades together and more towards your hips. And what you do now is squeeze your shoulder blades together, lift your arms up, then relax your arms, then relax your shoulders. So it's shoulders, arms, arms, shoulders. Try not to do this, where your shoulders go up, then your arms, then everything comes down at the same time. Try to do 4 distinct movements. Shoulders, arms, arms, shoulders. And keep your glutes and your abdominal muscles contracted the whole time during the entire set.